This is the Arrowhead Brass PK1130 parts kit and stem assembly and packing nut for the Arrowhead Brass 930, 975, 980, and 925 garden valves. Now, everything comes included in this kit. It'll also, on the back of the packaging, have a short little list of instructions on how to remove the existing stem assembly and how to replace the new one. So in the kit, it's going to come with in total 4 items. So you've got your nut, and then you've got the 2 pieces of the stem, and you've got the washer. Now going over each item, at the seat end, see the large rubber seat washer with the Phillips head screw securing. And then the stem has a large set of metal threads coming up to the smaller set of splines for the handle to connect to. And then the washer is just a simple plastic washer. And then your packing nut, hex nut, 2 metal threads, and then a built-in gasket inside to seal. And we can go ahead and get a couple dimensions of each part included in the kit, starting with an outer diameter. That's going to measure right at about 7/8 of an inch on the outside. And inner, right at about 3/4 of an inch. Then go into the stem. Total length, right at about 2 1/4 inches. Outer diameter at the bottom being just shy of 1/2 inch. And then try to measure this from the head of the screw down to the end of the post. Be right at 1.5 inches. And it has the outer diameter right at 1 inch. And then last but not least, we've got our plastic washer with an outer diameter of just above 1/2 inch there. And once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK1130 stem assembly and packing nut for the Arrowhead Brass garden valves.